Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to start quickly with RD01 radar module by AI Thinker. So this is the module and we have taken out one module already. First of all, connect this module to 3.3 volt power supply. I didn't have the 3.3 volt power supply, so that is why I had connected it to that ESP32. So here ESP32 I am just using to give the power to this module, and here is another USB to TTL converter that is connected to the serial pin out of this module as shown in the figure. So once that is connected, open this tool. This tool is already available on AI Thinker website. Once that is downloaded, open this tool, click on refresh and then select the correct port. So here my port is that COM port 4. Then select the baud rate as 256000. Then click on connect. Then click on read config. So its default configuration is different. So I had changed the configuration just to make it work at the distance where I am sitting. So you can change these parameters. Here the 1 RG equal to the 0.75 meter. So the maximum detection range is 0.75 meter if I am setting this 1 and 1. So here similarly sensitivity also you can modify according to your requirements. So I had also changed these two sensitivities. So once that is done, then click on start. So you can see that it has started detecting the micro movement. So that means there is a motion detection, and purple means there is no movement, and green means there is nothing is there. So now let me sit still, then it should turn purple, and if I am not even if I am not breathing, then it should turn green. So now I will not do any movement. Let's see what happens. Okay, if now I have started the movement, you can see that it is changing to red and purple. So if I am going away from this module, then it should turn green. Now I'm coming back to the nearby the module, then it will again show the motion. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.